What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm your boy FatKat, and I'm going to bring you another review. Today we are going to do a 2019 BMW 240i with the M package. Let's get into it. Let's go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So let's talk a little bit about the car. So obviously you guys can see it is in a Estoril blue metallic paint. Basically the blue of the BMW. They pretty much have two blues. They're kind of like an aqua blue, and then this like a little bit deeper blue. But as you guys can see, man, it is not necessarily the biggest car. So therefore, for somebody like me, who is again like a little bit bigger stature and girth and everything like that, it may not be ideal, but nonetheless it is a nice car. You got the painted calipers in there, BMW Michelin wheels. You have 225/40 18s on there. That's pretty nice. Obviously this is a convertible, so therefore you will be able to put the top down and everything else when you know, when the weather is nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, this is the M package, so it'll be a little bit sporty. It's not an M car, but it is the M package. So you have like the sportier seats, you know, sportier things like that, sportier little accents on the vehicle. Dual exhaust, of course, in the back. Nice little touch. Nice gas cap. Yeah, then you have your obviously your indicators here and your side view mirrors. Oh, this is nice. It's like a different, I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but it is like a different, kind of like a grayish tone to it. So again, just gives it that sportier look. Obviously all your BMWs, you're gonna have your BMW rings here and everything else. I'm sure this car does have HID. We'll check it out once we get inside and check out all the features. But overall, it's a pretty nice car. You know, again, it's a BMW, so you pretty much know what you're going to get as far as, you know, they're what they're going for. They're going for the sportier, they're going for the ultimate driving machine, as they always say. So let's get on the inside and check it out. All right, so here we are on the inside. I've got my little sheet here, as you can see that it is, but let's check out the actual cockpit first. So this is the seating position. That, you know, this is what you would be seeing when you're in the car. Hopefully you guys could pick this up. I know it was getting kind of later in the day, so the you know, the light might be kind of dimming down a little bit, but hopefully you guys can see this nonetheless. So you have your you know, your instrument panel here. It's not the greatest in the world, but again, like I said, this is a 240, so it's, you know, it's your entry level BMW at the end of the day. But you know, nonetheless, you still got a nice little steering wheel here. You got your M emblem, like I said, because it is basically the M package. You have in your screen here, you got up to 3 drivers and also a guest driver. So I guess that's pretty cool, maybe for like valet or something like that, valet mode. See what you got here. Here we got pretty much just your regular standard, you know, your regular standard buttons for your presets of your radio, You got we got heated seats here. That's pretty cool, even for entry level. Excuse my phone going off. Turn that off. But yeah, so you have your you still got heated seats even though it's your entry level. You got your engine start and then your engine off button up there. Obviously your AC and everything else. Here you still, as BMW-esque as always, you got your basically your dial pad here where you could go through and scroll through all your different menus or whatever the case. Push that to the side and you can see, you know, you could pretty much go scroll through all your menus. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It's a lot better than what it used to be. Everybody knows the iDrive system, especially when it first came out back in the early 2000s. I mean, it was super confusing. It really didn't work that well. It just wasn't user-friendly at all. So finally, you know, BMW is starting to get where it's a little bit more user-friendly. So that's pretty cool. Got your navigation and everything else. Yeah, so like I said, I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory. You got your back, you know, your options here, all your menu, your maps, you know, media, and everything else, man. So not too bad, not too shabby. Here you got your pretty much your settings. So you got your sport mode. If you need, you can see that it goes into sport. You could go back down to comfort. If you pretty much do the Eco Pro, you could go back down to comfort. So let's see what else it has. Comfort, sport, and then you could configure your sport settings. So let's go in there and see what that does. So you could go to your drivetrain and your chassis. Oh, so you go drivetrain and chassis, or you just a drivetrain and then just the chassis. So pretty cool. And of course, again, this is a drop top. So let's see if we can figure out how to do that. It is not that button. So let's see if we can figure out how to drop the top on this car. I wonder if it's manual. It's not manual. We will figure it out. Hold on one second. Traction control off. That's not it. I don't know. I cannot find it. Anyway, let's go. I don't know. I can't find it. But anyway, let's go through what the options this car has. Basically, like I said, Storo blue metallic. Inside is Oyster Dakota leather. So you can see it's like the lighter leather. As you guys can see there. Let me see. You got this is a premium package, which is a $2,500 package basically. So it includes your heating steering wheel, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, navigation, so on and so forth, Apple CarPlay, you also have your sports brakes, mobility kit, so on and so forth, 18-inch wheels. Again, we've seen that. Oh, you got your rear view camera. That's pretty cool. Power front seats, of course. Active driving assistant. Oh, so I guess it probably keeps you in the lane. Park distance control, ambient lighting. Let me see. Oh, there you go. You got your M steering wheel, your aerodynamic kit. That's pretty much all part of your M package, pretty much. And you know, then you got all your other stuff over here. M sport brakes, black top, so on and so forth. This is a 3.0 twin power turbo inline 6. So even for the 240, still not a bad little engine that they put in here. This car total right now is going at $56,770. So $56,770. Now, as you guys can see, like I always like to show, man, like I'll show you guys how I fit in here. It's not too bad. Like if you look at me, like I said, I'm a little bit probably wider than you know, dude. And even in this little car, man, like I don't fit too bad. Like I would be able to drive this. I mean, would I want this as my daily driver? Probably not. But can I make it my daily driver? Yes. So it's not. This car is not impossible for me to drive on every single day. Like I said, it won't be my preferred option, but if I had to do it, I would do it. No problems at all. So, like I said, look at all the room I got down here. Now, granted, I do I got the steering wheel up a little bit. Let me see if I can put it down a little bit to what my setting will be. So something like that. So even still, yeah. So even this is all the way down, and I still got plenty of room. So not too bad. Down here you have your automatic lighting controls and everything else. And then you got all your lane assistance and all that you can turn on and off right there with the touch of the button. So that's pretty cool. For the back seats, it's pretty much non-existent. I mean, I don't know who is going to fit back there, to be honest. Even little kids, I think, will have a hard time fitting back there with an adult or something like that sitting in the front. So you are not going to get this car to basically sit 4 people in this car. It's not going to happen. I mean, it can happen, as you can see, but it won't be ideal. But other than that, this car also does have the Harman Kardon sound system, so that's pretty nice. I'm pretty sure it sounds good. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Now, I'm not going to drive this car today because, like I said, it's getting kind of dark and my camera is losing light. So I will be back to do, I don't know if I'll do this review again, but or maybe just show that driving portion mixed in with another car. But I'm not going to drive it today because of that reason. But I am going to come back because they do have a couple M3s on the lot. They actually have 2019 M3s, the M3 and M4 CS. So, which is the, I'm sure it's the competition package. So, with that being said, I will be back to check those cars out. And while I do that, then I will make sure I probably drive this one as well. But this was kind of just do like a little overview on what this car basically looks like and feels like for somebody of my size and my stature in this car, in this size of a car, I guess you could say. But anyway, all right, man. Let me see if I could find that the top button one more time. Okay, so it looks like I found it. So basically, you got to open up this and then look at that. It relieves, or you can it reveals the button right there. So I don't know if you can actually. No, you pretty much can't even get to it while it's closed. So you pretty much got to open that. And once you open that, then I guess you can push that. Maybe not. And it's still not letting me. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Well, that was a fail. Super embarrassing. But anyway, there goes that button, just in case if you guys get the convertible, you guys will figure it out and be able to figure out how to actually get it down. Because I don't see any latches or anything up here, so I don't see how you would get that down. I don't see what else you need to do in order to get that down. Oh well. Anyway, appreciate you guys checking out the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that make sure you guys comment down below, hit that notification bell, of course. I'm gonna be like I said, I'm gonna be coming back here to BMW when I got a little bit more time, and I'm actually gonna be doing some of those M3s. They got an M. Oh, they just took the M5, but they had an M5 sitting right there. They got an M4, so definitely want to come back and do the M cars. I seen the X6M that just drove around a little while ago. So the sales manager here, JP, he's super cool. He told me to, I think I mentioned this before when I did the Lamborghini video. Super cool, man. He said, hey, come by whenever you want, this and that. And the third, I give you the keys, and pretty much, you can do what you got to do. So I would definitely be back. I'm going to take him up on that, and I will be back here probably within the next couple of days, man, to give you guys a lot more content. So make sure you guys, again, hit that notification bell, or hit that subscribe button first, then hit that little notification bell, so that way you can make sure you get all my videos and whenever they come out, and check out some of these reviews. And I'm also, again, this channel is not going to be only new car reviews and things like that. I'm also going to go out and have fun and everything else. And like I said, I got friends with Jeeps and everything else. We might do some off-roading. I got some friends. I got some dirt bike. Well, not like whatever those cross bikes, like the street dirt bike. I'm gonna go out and probably get on those a little bit and things like that, man. I wish I still had my bike. I had a ZX14, Kawasaki ZX14. I wish I still had it. I would have did a couple videos on that as well. But I sold that about maybe 2 years ago now. So time to get another bike. Anyway, man, appreciate you guys for checking in. As always, man, appreciate the support thus far. And like I said, we're gonna bring a lot more things, man. So please stay tuned. All right, man. We check you guys on the next one, man. Later.